So what comes with the Color Computer 2, which we've finished up. I didn't like the clear legs, so I put black ones. They're a little more original. We've got the 5-volt power supply. So we'll hook this up. It's going to come in the box with a video cable. Now, this in goes to your television. So you'll put that in. You find the TV in. It's like a screw connection, and screw that into your television, just like this. Putting it on one. And this one's on channel 3, so it's got an adapter for this, otherwise it's an RCA cable. Alright, so that's on. I don't need all this cord, but you've got it. So we'll turn the television around. And it's actually on channel 3. So where we're going to plug this into is the TV in. Okay? And we need to get the power connector in. All right, so that'll go to a USB connector. Great, and I want to plug in one more thing. I have a TP10 here, so we'll test printing, which in this computer's case goes to the I/O serial line. So we'll plug that in. All right, and I'll turn it on. Okay, very good. So I'll move this a little bit closer, so you can hopefully see the screen a bit better. All right. Okay. Oops. I'm going to try L print. I think that'll cause it to print. Whoops. And L list. I got it wrong. So we can see the printer is going, and move that up a little bit, and you can see the printed, so that's good. All right, but kind of the interesting thing, let's shut that off. What's also going to be in the box is the Dungeons of Daggorath game, so I'll open that up and show you what's in here. So there'll be a cartridge. Here we go. So that goes in this area here on the side. We also have the instruction book for this, so that'll come handy. You can figure out how to play. We'll take a look at that. Let's see. There's a whole bunch of text here. Let's fire this thing up. It should start up. Ooh, it's interesting, we're writing stuff out to the serial port. Shut that off, okay. Prepare. Dungeons of Daggorath. Prepare, and we end up in the dark. So I'm going to say pull right P-O torch. All right, use right. All right, and we can see things. Look. Oops. Look. I don't know what that does, and then move. All right, and this is a fun one. It's a classic on the CoCo. Have fun with this. Boxing it up for the no minimum bid auction at Tandy Assembly. So come to Springfield and you can bid on this. There's the cables. We saw Dungeons of Daggorath up there, and the Color Computer 2 is all boxed up. So it comes with the, an original CoCo 2 box. I'm not sure if this is with the one that came with this computer or one I had, but it's still a nice box. Pretty good shape. All right, closing it up. All right, so this will be in Springfield, Ohio at the end of the month. Come bid on it.